If I get pulled over, can I deny the cops and not let them search my vehicle? That's a question that comes up a lot, and it's a question that we are going to answer today for you in this video. Hi, my name is Marcy Fosio, and I'm an attorney at Fosio Law. As I said, a common question that people have is, if I'm driving, I get pulled over for a traffic stop for speeding or whatever, and the cop asks if he can search my vehicle, do I have the right to say no? The answer is yes. And that privilege or that right comes from the Fourth Amendment to the United States Constitution. The Fourth Amendment basically says that all people in America have the right to be free from unreasonable search and seizure. Unreasonable is kind of the key word there. Obviously, we can't prohibit any search or any seizure, but we are allowed to say no to any unreasonable search and seizure. You're driving down I-35, you see those red and blue lights in the rear view mirror, you're getting pulled over because you were speeding. So it's probably going to start off as just like a normal traffic ticket. The officer's going to ask you some questions. Maybe he or she will write you a ticket, maybe not. But what we're interested in is if the officer asks, do you mind if I look around your car? He's asking to search it. Do you mind if I look around your car? Again, you have the right to say no. There's a little bit of a catch though, and here's where that comes in. As I said, the Fourth Amendment prohibits unreasonable search and seizure, but if an officer has probable cause, and that's a legal standard, it's a term of art, probable cause that there is criminal activity involved or that there is some kind of illegal activity in your vehicle, then they may be able to search your vehicle even if you say no. You have the right to say no. You have the right to deny permission, but the officer might not need your permission. If they have probable cause, they can search your vehicle even if you say no. And when I say probable cause, I'm not talking about probable cause for the traffic offense, for the speeding ticket. That's already been established. They pulled you over for speeding. I'm talking about, do they have probable cause that there's something else illegal taking place? So a really simple example would be you're driving, officer pulls you over for speeding, the officer's approaching your vehicle, and through the window in plain view, she sees evidence of a crime, the illegal substance. So there's been no search since they see it in plain view. Because she saw that, she now has probable cause to search your vehicle. Generally speaking, there's two different ways a cop can search your vehicle after a traffic stop. The first is if you give them permission. And as we said earlier in this video, you do not have to give them permission. You can say no. The other way is if they are able to develop probable cause. The very simple example of a way to develop probable cause, if they actually see something in plain view. A DUI is a really good example. They pull you over for a traffic stop for speeding, and while they're talking to you, they develop probable cause to think that you are intoxicated, that you're under the influence of alcohol, because they might say they smelled alcohol, or their slurred speech, or maybe you've got a big bottle of whiskey in the car with you. So that gives them probable cause to believe you're committing the crime of DUI. There could be some privilege to search, some probable cause there. So again, let me just kind of sum it all up. You can say no, but if they have probable cause, they will be able to search your vehicle anyway. The flip side, if they do not have probable cause to search your vehicle, they ask your permission and you say no, then in that situation, they cannot search. What's going to happen if you say no? Can they arrest you for that? So let's say the example, they have no probable cause. You've been pulled over just for a speeding ticket. They've written you a ticket, and then they say, can I search the car? And you say no. At that point, they cannot arrest you just because you said, no, you can't search my car. Now, to be clear, they can still give you the speeding ticket. The traffic infraction was an arrestable offense. You can be arrested for that, but you cannot be arrested just for telling them, no, they can't search my car. If they have probable cause, so they don't need your permission, and they search the vehicle and they find something to arrest you for, then yes, this doesn't give you like a free pass. So you can still be arrested for any offense that they observed, any criminal offense that they observed or have evidence of. You can still be arrested if they have probable cause and search the car and find evidence of a criminal activity, but you cannot be arrested just for saying, no, you can't search my car. You cannot be arrested just because you denied permission to search your car. If they don't have probable cause, you absolutely can say, no, you can't search my car, and they have to honor that. Thank you, Fourth Amendment. If you have any questions or if you want to know more about that, then give us a call, and the phone number's down below, or you can click the link below and check out our website, and we will be happy to help you any way that we can.